This is the inspection of the pressure transmitter. So how do you check the pressure transmitter? So based on the pressure transmitter, uh, nameplate, tag, and etc. All of the as per the catalog, as per the material receiving, as per the PO, you need to check, and then IEC, so ATIC standard, so everything is there. So this is how you will check and verify during your material receiving inspections. So this is how it's look like. Okay, verify everything. So this is the sample example of your material receiving inspections for the pressure transmitter.